Hi, myself Mayank Srivastav. My project topic is online hotel management system. Biometric system plays an important role in authentication, but these systems are vulnerable. Several attacks, supporting and anti-spoofing has become a prevent topic. Is become hotel management community. This is introduced technique for hotel management detection using 11 detection based on image quality assessment. The key idea of this approach is to be prevent software-based hotel management and multi-attack protection method that is characterized real but not the fake one. Objective: the terminal characteristic detection during video streaming includes eye and facial feature of the human being or living creature. It helps classification of the presence of human being or living creature in the video frame. The objective of the project includes identification of expression and human being tracking, prevents living creature in the video from generalized signal processing. Conference the organization of competition focused on vulnerability assessment, the acquisitions of a specific database, the creation of the group, send laboratories specialized in the evolution. Existing system: a highly structured two-dimension pattern. Human face image can be analyzed in the spatial and the frequency domain. The pattern are composed and components that easily recognized at the high level but are loosely defined at low level. Disadvantage of ambiguity is pattern recognition. Distinct object cannot be identified. Bulk database are essentials of slower performance, only clear image. We proposed a new algorithm for the face recognition that makes use small that efficient at the template. The analysis is similar to the method and collects which is based on PCA. The fundamental difference is that in our system value analysis is performed on the separation matrix rather than the cohesion matrix. Advantage of proposed system: no database required, even distance object could be identified, faster performance, even unicular image could be proceed unambiguous. Image handling operation of module, image handling operation of image specific filtering, edge detection, noise flirting, segmentation. Description of module: a set of two tasks. Face identification: given a face image that belongs to a person to the database, tell whose image it is. Face recognition challenge: the we automatically locate the face recognition face from general viewpoint under different illumination, candidate facial expression, and face detection. The principal computer analysis is one of the most successful techniques that have been to image recognition. The purpose of PC is to reduce the large dimension of the data space and single action dimensionally. Hardware requirement: processor Intel Pentium processor, 1 GHz clock speed, 3.4 GHz processor, hard disk 2 GB or more, RAM 128 MB and more. Software software requirement: operating system Windows, graphical user interface MySQL, application logic OpenCV, Python, Java. Database: real database, Cassia. Experiment and design: the evolution experimental protocol has been designed with twofold objective. First, evolution of the multi-biometrical dimension of the protection method, that is ability to achieve a good performance compared to other traffic specific approach under experiment and design. Second, evolution of the multi-attack dimension of the protection method, that is ability to detect not the spoofing attack such as other liveness detection specific approach but also fraudulent access attempt to the carry out. Database design: data set जाता है goes to engine face calculation similar to measure calculation, then classification and filtering, and finally we got the result. Sample coding has include OpenCV, and then snapshot of the model is given there. And conclusion: quality assessment of hotel management sample is important challenge for biometric research community. That's why this is used for the high level quality. Thank you. Thanks, Vastu.